A battery warning light on your dashboard doesn't just mean your battery is dying. It indicates a problem within your vehicle's entire charging system. The light usually means the battery isn't receiving the correct voltage while the engine is running. This stems from several potential issues, with alternator failure being the most common cause. Here are the most common causes with their frequency rates. Alternator failure accounts for 60% of cases, battery degradation 25%, wiring problems 10%, and voltage regulator issues 5%. When the warning light appears, take immediate action. First, reduce electrical load by turning off non-essential accessories like radio, air conditioning, and lights. Next, test the battery voltage using a multimeter. With the engine off, voltage should read between 12.4 and 12.6 volts. With the engine running, it should be between 13.5 and 14.4 volts. If voltage readings are outside these normal ranges, seek professional diagnostic help immediately. Modern charging systems are complex and require specialized equipment for proper diagnosis and repair. Troubleshooting a battery warning light requires a systematic diagnostic approach. We'll walk through each step to identify and resolve the root cause. Start with a visual inspection of the alternator belt. Check for proper tension, cracks, fraying, or glazing. A loose or damaged belt cannot properly drive the alternator, causing charging system failure. Next, inspect all wiring connections for damage or corrosion. Pay special attention to battery terminals, alternator connections, and ground straps. Corrosion creates resistance that can trigger warning lights. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for specific error codes related to the charging system. Modern vehicles store detailed diagnostic information that can pinpoint the exact problem component. Modern vehicles provide detailed diagnostics through onboard computers. These systems can monitor charging voltage, current flow, and component performance in real time, making diagnosis more accurate. After addressing the underlying issue, the warning light may not immediately disappear. Some vehicles require a manual reset using a diagnostic tool, while others automatically reset after several drive cycles once the problem is resolved. If the warning light persists despite repairs, consult a professional technician. Modern charging systems are complex, and proper diagnosis requires specialized equipment and expertise to ensure complete system functionality.